How to use Amazon Prime Video on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Amazon Prime Video on mobile. So for that, first thing first, you have to install the app. Head over to your respective app store, type in Amazon Prime on the search bar and install the app. Once done installing, click on the open button. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully. So what I'm gonna do is, first thing, you will be taken to the home page, and you just have to go ahead and click on the sign up button. Now, once you click on the sign up button, it's going to ask you to create an Amazon account, right? If you already have an Amazon account, you could go with that as well. And if you don't have an Amazon account, you could simply click on sign up, provide in your email or phone number, create a password, add in all the information that has been asked, follow the option prompt, and next you want to create a profile. After you create a profile, you could get a subscription, or you could select a plan that's according to you. And that is how you should be able to use Prime Video on mobile. And that's how things are done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.